Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix iPhone not sending texts on iOS 18. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so first of all you need to just try restarting your iPhone. If you haven't already, just press the power button and restart your iPhone, and if it still doesn't fix your problem, what you can do is just make sure you have a proper internet connection. Otherwise sometimes the iMessages won't work properly, so make sure you have a proper internet connection. So yeah, that's the second step. If it still doesn't fix your problem, you can go to settings, go to cellular and check your carrier settings if you have set up your cellular option. Unfortunately I cannot show you guys how to do it because I haven't set up my cellular SIM yet. So this is the third option. The fourth option is to just wait for an official update to iOS 18, because iOS 18 is not available officially right now. Let me just check. So iOS 18 is not available, so yeah, just wait for an official update, or you can just downgrade to iOS 17 and use the official software. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be somewhat helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.